Well, one more week and I go for my fiber course. Before I was going to go on my course, I had some plans of making a video, but now I got to make this video. Cleerline sent me all these goodies. They're multi-mode SSF cable, 2-conductor, or 2-strand I should say, send, receive. The nice mechanical ends, and we had a pack of, what do they call these? Connector clips. There's lots of videos out there putting one end on it. That wasn't going to be my challenge in the video I was going to do. My challenge was going to be putting 2 connectors on there, side by side, equal length, then putting the coupler on there so I could connect a pair of multi-mode transceivers and make a cable. However, I was using my traditional Jonard Tools cleaver, struggling to the max to cut and cleave this cable properly. Now, it didn't work properly because this cable, or I should say this cable, has a special coating on it. I printed off so I can tell you exactly, accurately what it all is. Now, as I was struggling, I was like, I don't know what to do. Do I recalibrate this or set it for this kind of cable, even though I'm going to be using different kinds of other cable? And I reached out Cleerline and I said, I'm being a dummy. I don't know why and what I'm doing wrong. They're probably chuckling at reading the email going, yeah, we probably hear this a ton of times. Their cleaver cuts differently than a traditional one because they have a special coating, I'll name it in a second here, on their cable. So the email came back to me saying, we sent you a kit, here now, why don't you use the cleaver in it? And I was like, I didn't get it. Apology came back and said, it just got dropped out of the shipment we're going to send you, because they sent me a big box. We did an unboxing of all these goodies, and they said, our apologies, we're going to send you the kit. Use the cleaver in that for our products. Now, the reason why that is because traditional fiber, and I'll put the photo of what I'm talking about in the video for you guys, uses different coatings. Now, the SSF fiber has a quick peel that you can peel off with your nail, cleave it with their cleaver, and it works perfectly. If you use a different cleaver, it doesn't go up like the tiniest little bit, and I don't even know the measurement, but it goes up, doesn't go up the tiniest little bit to cut the proper fiber. The one in here does, because now I have it. With Cleerline stuff, you could take the accolade off, and I'll show you that, and you could poke yourself. I wouldn't really recommend it because it's pokey, and it won't break off, and you can't break it. You can twist it up and pull on it and stuff like that because of that coating on there. Now, I was going to make a video with all this stuff and show you guys that, but I failed. Learning, made a mistake. So Cleerline reached out and yeah, they sent me a kit here, and I'm going to show you that. But the whole video here that I'm trying to show you guys is their fibers a little bit differently. And the reason why I kind of said, yeah, let's get me one of these is because I don't want to recalibrate this, because calibrating it, I might forget when I'm on site or doing something, and then I have to remember what it's doing. So in theory, there's 2 different kinds of cleavers. So if you're going to be using Cleerline stuff, highly recommended to get their kit. I haven't opened it yet, but we're going to look at it, to do all that kind of stuff and keep it all kind of bundled together so that way it just accurately cuts it. Now, there's a couple nice things about this fiber. You only need this kit if you're going to use mechanical ends. I was also told, and I'm going to be trying that. There was another video that's coming up, but in a week I'm going to do my fiber course. You have to cut their fiber, have it be, I think this stuff too, because this is SSF. Yep, this is SSF. Or their 2-conductor. Or I got some more stuff down there in the bin, some other stuff I'm going to be doing with videos. You have to use special tools. Those special tools is not this one, because this one I broke. I decalibrated by those by touching the screw on the side. So this one is now just a paperweight. But this one right here, you use to take the polymer off and the cladding to get to the core. When you use their cable and mechanical ends, you use your fingernail and pull off the soft peel aculate. Yeah, it's called aculate. And then you have the polymer, which is the protected, so that way you're not back down to the raw cladding in the core, so that way the cable's more not fragile. So I want to unbox this and say thank you very much for Cleerline for sending me that, and probably chuckling going, yeah, it's something that people do. People make the mistake. They think, or they don't know, or maybe they just grab the cable and they think they can just use any old tools. Me being dummy, I'm appreciative that they sent me this kit to do this cable so I could do some more videos. So learning, and I guess when I'm starting to learn my fiber stuff is I got to remember when I'm doing my training is there's different kinds of fiber out there. There's probably different tools that people use. These tools are, I've taken this one out, before I open that, very well made. They are not cheap tools. I don't think they're that very expensive, but they're tools that you would want to use. Let's see here. Yep. They kind of look, oh hey, there's a little cleaner dude in there. Nifty. I haven't opened these yet because I was going to do a video on that, using these tools, or these fibers and fusion splicing them. But I might as well open it and show you guys right now. Let's see here if I can get it out. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. So the Cleerline ones look very similar to the Jonard ones that I have, but they're not. They go and they're calibrated a little bit differently, so that way it could take off that polymer that's on there so you can actually fusion splice that. So I like the fact that they're blue, so that way I can distinguish which one's which. Plus it both says Cleerline and Jonard on there. It does say, it says the same types of fiber, so 1 to 6, 3 millimeter, 600 to 900, but it also says underneath of it SSF, and that's what this stuff is SSF, okay? So I guess we learned something. That's the whole purpose of my channel, is I'm learning. Being in fiber class, that will also teach me a bunch of stuff. But let's have a quick look and see what's in this box here. I will go soon and do my 2 videos that I'm promising in this video to show how this all works together, fusion splicing some of this fiber together, along with making this cable that I really wanted to do. Now that I have the proper tools to do that. The trick was, when I was doing that video, was to make it work equally, because I've never done it yet, and I've seen people do these cables, just one strand. Oh well. Oh, hey, it comes in a hard case. Oh yeah, it does. What does it say here? Important cleaver notes. The cleaver in this Cleerline Termination kit comes pre-adjusted. Yeah, see, I was going to try to adjust this, but that's way out of my league right now. Way too new. Stronger, safer, and faster Cleerline fiber optics glass is an integral polymetric coating as well as traditional type. Your new cleaver has been factory adjusted and verified by a microscope to ensure, ooh, a microscope. Yeah, because fiber's tiny, right? To ensure successful 90 degrees end face cleave prior to shipping. Ah, so it's already factory set up. I don't have to do anything. Cool. I like that this comes with a nice case. Yeah, that's nice. So you can put your tools back after you clean them into the kit. Look at that. Nice and heavy duty. I mean, technically you could throw this in your vehicle. I don't do that. Looks kind of well built. What do we got in here? Whoa. That's nice. Holy, you guys, look at the presentation in this. That is so nice. What do we got in here? Okay, I'm gonna move this off. Now, to be fair, I also have their fiber power meter and light source. Oh, it's heavier. In this kit. So these 2 pieces of equipment I will be doing videos on. I've already done one on this, but I'm going to do a better one in more detail because I've learned a lot more how these work. Make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm going to probably use that kit in a 3rd video after I make this video with that cable over there. But for now, we have this kit, so now we can make that go. Piece of the puzzle, right? So what do we got? We got some, ooh, those are definitely not wire strippers. Look very similar. Those are nice. Cool. So we got, looks like kind of like a Miller stripper, but maybe not. They're adjustable, it looks like. Nice. So we got strippers. We got some Kevlar scissors. How do these feel? They're rigid. Ooh, those are smooth. But you can tell that those are going to cut the fiber strand, or not fiber strand, but the Kevlar really nice. I like that. That's nice. I see 2 power meters in here. Why do we have 2? What's the difference? Visual fault locator. What's this one? Why do we have 2? Is there a difference between the 2? Maybe one's... I've been hearing one, there's different styles. Well... P-Power. They're both visual. They're both 650 nanometers, so we can see it. But I'm not too sure. Not too sure what the difference is. I'll have to put a little blurb in the video, but there's also a manual in here. So let's have a quick look at that in a second here. That's nice. They come with that. We get our nice little, oh, look at that. Nice little black fiber can. Oh, am I opening it wrong? No? Oh, it's just harder to open, maybe. Nope. Oh, I see. It has a security thing on there, so you have to open it and stuff like that. I just don't have that off there yet. Okay, little fiber container. It's got a little pull strap so you can open the kit. I'm not going to do it yet. I see that. What's this? VFL LC adapters. Oh, these are adapters that go into here, so we can go from SC to LC, which are tiny. That's cool. Comes with the adapters. Interesting. Oh, we got more stuff up here. So we got 2 different cleaners. One's probably SC and one's LC. So this one's LC. This one's SC. Yep, 2 different cleaners. We always want to keep our face ends of the fibers clean. Yes. Okay, what do we got in here? Oh, this is just a manual for the cleaver. Okay, instructions how it works and all that stuff. I'll go over that maybe one day. Okay, well, I don't know why there's 2 different pieces in here. Let me put this in here nicely. Okay, okay. Well, that's nice. That's good that we can keep everything in one case. I'm going to grab my iPad and have a look here, so hold on 1 second. Oh, okay. Whoa. One does SC and one does LC? Which one does what? I didn't really see it on there. Maybe the end. That's probably why I can't tell. But they're blue and yellow or orange. So one's different. One's got a different end on it. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. I didn't really check the caps because I've got one that looks like this. And I didn't know there's a difference in here. So this one right here does LC, the smaller one. And this one's SC, which is the bigger one. Cool. I'll have to remember which one's which when I go to grab one when I do that. Didn't know that. Okay, they both operate at 650 nanometers, so we can see that red light. Key? Okay. So, pretty simple. Now we know what that is. And what else is it? It comes with a carry case. Obviously, we've got that. Disposal unit. That was the little black case. Aramid scissors? I don't know how to say that. Aramid scissors, which are the ones that will cut the stuff in here. And since I have this here right now, and I have, let's use these scissors here, or cutters. These cutters, I'll use this. Let's try this. I'm going to show you something here. Since I'm doing this. This fiber, and I've watched many videos, how easy it is. I've made cables and shown how easy it is, but let's see this. We can use this to open this up. Split the 2 jackets apart, right? We can use the top hole to lightly score this. So we can go like this, pull it off, okay? We have our fiber inside. Now the scissors, I'm just playing right now. The scissors cut this yellow yarn Kevlar stuff, and we should be able to hear it if we do this. Oh yeah, nice and clear, nice and sharp, it's smooth. Look how sharp that is too. It's like a nice, perfect cut. Brand new, probably. And now, I'm going to show you guys. This stuff, traditional, normal fiber, you cannot take this acrylate off, or the, whatever, the soft peel is what they call it. They have a special name, soft peel, off without using these guys. But remember, when we do that on normal, traditional fiber, it gets us down to more dangerous pieces of the fiber. But this stuff, I can take my nails, and I specifically didn't cut my nails because I was doing this video, and we can go like this. Oh, and we can pull the acrylate off right there. So now we have a piece of fiber that is ready to go. Now supposedly, I shouldn't be able to break this as easy as normal like that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Well, I put this back. Actually, you know what I'm going to do is, my waste bin's over there, so no, I'm not. I'm going to do this after camera. Usually what I clean up is I cut all this stuff and I put it in my waste bin so that way I don't leave any shards all over the place. So, easy video. Kind of disappointed in myself that I didn't know that I had to use a cleaver from Cleerline to cut their fiber properly, perfectly at 90 degrees. But that's the whole purpose of learning and going to school. Yes, I keep pointing at that because that's my key thing that I have to learn for class, the 12 colors. But we'll go from there. Easy video, good presentation of this, and soon, hopefully when I get back from my fiber course, I will be having some time to make the cable, then test it and use this kit. Then after that, we're going to fusion splice some stuff. So hopefully you guys are liked and subscribed for all those cool things, and we'll go from there. You guys have a great day. And again, thank you Cleerline for sending me this kit, so now I can actually make that cable I want to do. You guys have a great day, and hey, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.